This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MacBook meets the software and hardware prerequisites. Check Mac OS version and identify whether your Xbox controller supports Bluetooth. Next, power on the controller and hold the pairing button until the Xbox logo blinks. This puts it into discoverable mode. On your MacBook, open Bluetooth in System Settings and look for the controller name. Once it appears, choose Connect. Do this now so you move straight into pairing without extra setup delays. Once connected, verify that Mac OS detects input by opening a simple controller test or Steam Big Picture. This confirms buttons and sticks register. If discovery fails, use a wired connection to rule out Bluetooth issues, then install a compatible driver or enable Steam input, which maps the controller for most games. After drivers load, calibrate dead zones and remap buttons where needed so triggers behave predictably. Make sure to test in a game with controller support. To finish, validate battery, firmware, and in-game controller settings so performance is consistent. Firmware updates require an Xbox Accessories app on Windows, so use another device if needed. If you experience dropouts, first toggle Bluetooth, forget and repair the controller, then test a different cable or USB port for wired stability. Finally, use Steam input or a mapping utility for complex remaps. If problems persist, restart Mac OS and retry pairing. This often clears lingering Bluetooth or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.